Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and I'm glad you stopped by to join me again for another fall clean with me. Hey guys, it is already Saturday and I did not get much done this week. This is following the Monday video that I posted last week of the craft room. I was working in zone 1, but I concentrated on the craft room, and I was supposed to be doing the bedroom and the master bathroom on Wednesday and Friday, but that didn't happen. So it's happening today. The kitchen kind of got out of hand because I was busy doing some other projects. Oh my gosh, look at that frying pan. Oh, it was a mess. So we'll see if I can clean that up. Hey guys, don't forget, every Monday in the month of October, I am doing a collab with Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. So once you're done watching my video, you're going to want to go over and watch her video. And her video last week was amazing. I just love her voice, and it was a very soothing, relaxing video. So make sure you check out her video this week and her channel and subscribe. Hey guys, I know with Fly Lady, and by the way, this is not Fly Lady, it's loosely based on Fly Lady, sorta, kinda. Anyway, I know the whole thing with most cleaning routine is to make your bed first, but that just doesn't do it for me. Plus, I have extenuating circumstances, such as hubby likes to work from the bedroom, so there's that. So it doesn't do it for me. The kitchen does it for me. Once the kitchen is cleaned up, I want to clean up the rest of the house, and it sets the tone for the rest of the house. Yeah, and that kitchen gets messy, and it's the most used room in the house. So to me, that should be your first thing that you should do in the morning to start your day. I do like a made bed, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. And you know what I say, the sky's not going to fall down if you do not make your bed for the day. And you know, I'm a nonconformist and a rebel. If you've been watching me for any length of time, I do like to do my own thing. And I know at least somebody is thinking, well, if you cleaned your kitchen before you went to bed, then you wouldn't have to clean it when you get up. Yes, that's true, but hubby and I tend to eat late, so I do clean up the kitchen while I'm making dinner, but after dinner, yeah, not happening. I am just tired from the day, and on this particular day, it just didn't get cleaned up very well for the last couple of days because, again, I was working on other projects. Okay, I was letting that frying pan soak one more time while I was cleaning up the rest of the kitchen, and I'm using that orange scrubby pad that I've showed in previous videos. It really works really well, guys. You don't need an SOS pad or a Brillo pad. I will link them down below. They work wonders, and then, of course, you need to use Dawn dish soap, the Blue Dawn. Like I said, I didn't get much done during the week because I was concentrating on finishing up the laundry room and the Monica closet. Plus, I was doing the Walk 30 Days challenge, and it was really kicking my butt. Anyway, I got up really early this morning and cleaned the kitchen because I had the motivation, because we were going to have company. It was just my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. They were coming by to drop something off. They actually didn't even come in. Well, my sister-in-law did end up coming in to use the bathroom, but that was about it. But I was glad the kitchen got cleaned up because it was really bad, which you really couldn't see in this video. I should have showed you the before in slow motion so you could see how bad it really was. Also, I didn't expect the 30-day challenge to kick my butt this much, and my goal was to walk every day, 6,000 steps, or ride my bike, so it amounted to 6,000 steps. Yeah, I just needed to listen to my body, and today I'm taking a rest from all that and doing what needs to be done and get the house cleaned up, and I can walk tomorrow or ride my bike. Okay, I just need to still sweep, mop, and vacuum, but that does not happen in this video. It will happen another day. And keep in mind, I take lots of breaks, and so I was taking a little break, and now I'm going to clean up and straighten up some other areas of the house before I get started on Zone 1, which is my master bedroom. Okay, as I was walking to the master bedroom to go ahead and film Zone 1 for you, I got sidetracked. And I decided to finish off the laundry room and Monica closet because I wanted to, because it was fun to go ahead and finish it and put all the finishing touches on it. And sometimes you got to do something fun and do what you want to do. And guess what? I was still cleaning, so all this needed to be cleaned up, and that's what I did. And then later, I did some laundry. Okay, I am taking another break here in hubby's downstairs office with Calvin and getting some cuddles and pets, and actually that was it for the day. Alright, before I get started on the bedroom, what I'm going to do is all of this is going to be moved into the library because it's going in the Monica closet behind the shelf. Some stuff needs fixed, some stuff needs hang. This is cupboard door cabinets that I took off above the fridge because, and then there's this panel that needs to go in the bathroom so that can be put on. So I have the screws for it, just haven't done it yet. Maybe that'll happen today. Here's an idea. I'll go get the screws. If I can find out what I did with the clips. Holy moly. So, and put them here. And maybe with the screwdriver thing. And then Bob will do that. Put it right in his face. Yeah. All right. Let's see. So I don't know if hubby wants to keep this or not. I think he might. That goes to his new work computer. This glass is broken. It needs to be fixed. This I want to keep out. It's going to be hung up above the bed. I'm going to redo that whole thing, not today, but another day. This is just to put in between pictures so they don't get ruined. We don't really have a place for that just right now. It might go in it might get hung in the stairwell. Bob painted that picture, by the way. He painted that. And this is staying in here too. It is going above Bob's dresser, right up here. So, I mean, this is not like I'm getting rid of stuff. It's just, because this has been in here for months. And Bob painted that too. I don't know where that's going to go. Oh, I know what I'm doing. So I can put the cardboard between that. This is an antique picture. I don't know what we're doing with that. Bob also painted this. We need to find a place for it. Again, that probably will go in the stairwell, and it needs finished. And then the same thing that goes in the stairwell. That's a project. And Bob took this picture, and when I printed it out, it didn't come out right. This is of the Blue Angels. He took that picture, so that probably maybe will go in the stairwell. I know it seems like a huge, humongous picture for the stairwell. So all that's going in the Monica. Again, that is daily declutter that I'm doing with my cleaning, and sometimes that means getting rid of stuff, but sometimes it just means shit shuffling. No, I'm kidding. It means putting things back where they belong, and this stuff all needs to go. I'm just going through it to see what is going to stay in here. Bob took this picture. Not sure where to hang that. This is my family picture in 2012. It has grown since then. The twins and some other children since then, for sure. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kids. And there's 16 now, grandchildren. Empty frames. Empty frames. Ugh. Pictures, Bob's pictures. Bob's pictures. Yeah, these are all like, we don't know where to put them. And sometimes yeah, I guess these are all going in. That's a picture my son painted. And then a picture of my son. I think I'm going to leave that in here and hang that in the, I'm going to hang that in the, I'm going to hang it next to his paddle, his not sorority. What's up? Said I was sorority for the guys, fraternity, and hang it next to that in, I think, the hallway. So, yeah, I do think I can get rid of these 2 frames. I don't think I'm going to use them. I've had them forever, so yeah, I'll let them go. Okay, I need to think on that one, so they'll be right there. And the other pictures are here. I'm going to bring the other ones in here too. Okay, so nice and cleared up. Yay. So maybe I'll get the ladder and hang that up. But right now, I got to plug you guys in because I'm running out of battery. I'm going to strip the bed and put everything, I think including the comforter. And it has a stain on it. So I need to spray that first. Let that soak. So I'll put the sheets and stuff in first. And plug y'all in so I can film a little bit later. And I'm going back and forth between doing this and the Monica closet, which you'll see on Thursday. So that's kind of how my day is going. And I have to put away clothes from yesterday. There's Kirby and his spot. And I hung my son's picture there and his fraternity paddle. And why do we have it? I do not know. Until he's in a permanent place, then we have it. So I'm going to see if I can't find something else to put right here, too. So, yeah. Okay, it is 7:30, and I still haven't made the bed. I am doing that now while dinner is cooking. And so we'll have a nice bed to crawl into after dinner tonight. Calvin is like a toddler. He thinks that he hides behind the curtain. I can't see him. He does that in the family room too. What the heck is all this flashing going on in front of the screen? I do not know why it's doing that. That's weird. Maybe because, oh, it's seeing the reflection in the mirror because my light is on. Okay, I'm not going to fully make the bed with all the pillows and stuff because we are going to go to bed after dinner tonight. So I am tired from all this Monica closet, laundry room thing, and doing the Walk 30 Days challenge. I am pooped. So I'm just going to halfway make the bed, and I will do it again tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. How long can I drag out this master bedroom clean and making the bed? So this morning, hubby and I got up bright and early and went for a 18.5-mile bike ride. It was really fun, but we were exhausted, and yeah, I am just now getting around to finishing up the master bedroom. And I was going to do the master bathroom too, but guess what? That's not happening either. So I will be working on zone 1 through next week, which is fine because I worked on zone 2 for 2 weeks, zone 3 for 2 weeks. So why not do zone 1 for 2 weeks? And I'm trying to get my house all in shape for fall so that I can have a nice relaxing Thanksgiving and Christmas. Okay guys, still on the fence about whether to keep that laundry basket or not to put stuff in it, but I'm thinking I can get rid of it. It occurred to me, why don't I just use this? It doesn't have to be just for clothes. So I usually have this beside my dresser here, and I throw clothes in here, and when that fills up, I take it to Goodwill. But why not just put everything in there? Then it's not out and about in the house in a box and all that kind of stuff. When that fills up, I'll take it to Goodwill and not wait until the next 1 box challenge. I discussed that in the last 1 box challenge that I wasn't going to do that anymore. So what did I have? The picture frames and stuff. So yeah, and nobody let me know. I'm guessing you don't donate bras. It's in sort of good condition. I don't know. Maybe, I think somebody said the women's shelter. Okay. And I'm still a little bit on the fence about these. So I'm going to put them there. Okay, so my master bedroom is quite dusty because I guess I haven't done it in a while. Actually, mostly it's the bed. So I'm going to concentrate on getting the bed really clean and dusted off. And I probably really should have done that before I made the bed, but I didn't. So here I go. I'm going to go ahead and get the whole bed dusted and a few other places dusted too. And yeah. I'm also trying to get my house into shape because soon I will start doing some landscaping and I will not have enough energy to do zone cleaning. So I will just be doing daily chores while that is happening, probably toward the end of October and then in November. So as you can see, I don't have a set exact schedule for doing my zones. I just have zones, and whenever I can fit them in, I will. And you know, life happens, so there's that. Okay, yeah, that's really dusty on the sideboard. So I am using my no bend ceiling fan duster to dust the bottom rails of the bed. It just works out easier that way and no bending required. Okay, I'm just clearing off some of hubby's things on his nightstand and putting it in one of his dresser's drawers. A long time ago, I cleared out one of his drawers so I can put stuff like this in here so that it keeps the top of the dresser and his nightstand clean, and he can just deal with this and sort it out however he wants when he feels like it. So it just keeps the top of everything really clean. I did also vacuum real quick in here and I lost the footage of that. I guess I didn't push record. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my cleaning cart away. If you're curious to know what is in my cleaning cart, I will link it down below. Okay, all done for today, and probably tomorrow I will be doing a weekly home reset and refresh, and I will be working on zone 1 still on Wednesday and Friday and have a video for you next Monday, which will be my master bathroom and the patio bath. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you leave me a comment, and make sure you click on Sunday's face right there and go to her channel and watch her video. And if you're new to my channel, click my face right there and subscribe. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.